Okay, we're back, and it's 257 we're up to now. Page 257, the math box. If you're not done it yet, go do it. All right, if you're done, you want to check it, go here. Let's look at number one. Justin, who's not very bright, said, if I multiply any number greater than 0 by 6/5, the product, meaning the answer, will be smaller than the number I started with. Is Justin's conjecture true or false? 6/5 is bigger than 1. When you multiply times anything that's a positive number, we'll worry about those negatives some other year. If you take a number, you multiply it times something bigger than 1, the answer gets bigger, not smaller. He's got to give Justin a smack upside the head. No, Justin.
All right, let's go on to number 2. Solve and check your answer with a multiplication number sentence. 12 divided by 1/7.
Oh, 12 divided by 1/7. Okay, the way the book told you this is we have to get the same denominators. Okay, so we got to make 12, but we got to put a 7 on the bottom. We changed it from a 1 to a 7. So we made it 7 times bigger. So you do 12 times 7 is 84. Oops, 84 divided by 1/7 equals 80 tops times tops, bottom times bottom. 7 divided by 7 is 1, so it's just 84. So it's basically asking you how many 1/7 can fit into 84. And it takes 7 of these guys every time just to get up to 1. All right, let's go to number 2. No, number 3. That was number 2. All right, number 3. You can use this formula to convert temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So you take Celsius, times it by 1.8, and then add 32 to it. And that will change it into Fahrenheit. So what is 31.5 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? Dude, that's pretty rude. So we got to do 31.5 times 1.8. Man, they're making you work today. 40, so 0, carry the 4, that's a 12, carry the 1, 2520. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. Add them up, 0, 7, 6, 5. I know that 30 times 1 is 30, so that's was more like 2. So the answer's got to be there. So I've got now, but I'm not done. You got to do 56.7 plus 32. All right, if it makes you nervous, do that. 88.7 degrees Fahrenheit is the answer for number 3. That was a tough one. All right, solve the following riddle. Okay, I like riddles. Riddles are fun. I am a quadrilateral, so it's got four-sided shape with 4 equal sides. So it sounds like a rhombus or and no right angles. So it can't be a square. I was thinking of right off. Square, that's all right angles. Bzz. Can't be the square. Can it be a parallelogram, rhombus, or kite? Fill in all the possible answers. Oh man, this is rude. It's definitely rhombus. And a rhombus, just imagine if I drew that a little better. It'd be more like that. So these sides are all the same. That's a rhombus. That definitely works. A rhombus is a kind of parallelogram, okay? And a rhombus is also a kind of a kite, because kite means that the sides that kind of connect like this are the same length as each other. You with me? That's also a kite. Kind of a trick question. There's a little devious person up there in University of Chicago that was doing these for today. Writing reasoning. Explain how you decided whether Justin's conjecture was true or false for problem 1. So just write it. When you multiply times something bigger than 1, you get a bigger answer. There you go, kids. That's 257. Let's hit those home links.